Oh, Iggy, you have got it down, man. You gotta teach me one of your sick moves.
Do you see a sign around my neck that says free skate lessons?
No.
Kid, it's called... Lesson 1 complete. Now, try it again on these get some speed going. Lesson 1. Now, get some...
Slimmy! Did you hear the word on the radio? Tony Hawk said on his show that some crazy lunatic busted up this lame protest in Hollywood by knocking down the dinosaur head right in the middle of them. That's awesome!
We didn't hear about it, Murphy. We saw it. You're looking at the crazy lunatic right here, Mr. Dino Demo himself.
That's ridiculous, man! Hey, you know what would even be better than that? We should go snag that thing. That big T-Rex could be our first piece for the skate ranch. I'm down with that plan.
You should cruise back over to Hollywood before that thing's gone. And bring back that dino head.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you want it. That's I only told.
Oh, man, I can't wait to ride that thing.
I
Hey, me. Yeah, here it is.
What's that?
He loosened the bolts on the... Dude!
That was so killer. Murphy and Boone.
Would you...
Yeah, search out.
Hey, Murphy. What's up?
I'm just look...
Oh, I got. What about?
Oh, dude. Hey, the...
Hey, man! There's a naked We'll tow it out, but I bet you...
Killer, I can't wait to touch that marble.
Here, grab the rope and wrap it around the statue. Grind around the fountain so the rope won't... He's gonna...
What's shaking, Boone? I got my... Getting this green top should be right. Oh, okay, the rope's now tied.
Are you Murphy's friend? He'll give me Ashley Sampson concert tickets if I let you in.
My buddy?
Dave! Just go.
What? That? And...
So, now... It's working! I'm gonna topple! Finish it, Burp! Awesome! Killer piece for the ranch.
Hey, you are tuned in to Tony Hawk's Demolition Radio on Faction on Sirius Satellite Radio. Big heads up to everyone for the first ever Am Jam skate comp going off this week. So if you're an amateur who thinks you got the skills, head over to the Van Skate Park and sign up today.
Hey, man. All right.
What the...
Rod of Ollie and make it. Oh, now hurry. Oh, quick, let's get out of here.
Hey, skateboarder, you're not going anywhere, buddy.